Hello, hi, namaste, welcome to your obviously not yet favorite YouTube channel. It's a girl with wrinkles and pimples, which is totally normal. So I was scrolling through some hacks and instantly got trust issues. Because none of them looked like it would work, on me at least. I don't know about you, just like my past relationships. All the hacks that we are going to follow in this video are from some influencers who got millions of views with that, and some celebrities and some of my favorite celebrities and influencers to whom I follow on Instagram and YouTube because I like to watch them. And if you're watching me, you must got it? It's been a long. I haven't posted anything on YouTube and no one even asked me. No one even wanted to know where the hell was I? Was I even alive? So without any further drama, let's begin with our first hack. Let's begin with our first hack. I bet there is no one in makeup community who have never seen this hack. Okay, so I have this pink. So I have this pink polythene bag. Then we have to turn it to opposite side. So you are supposed to fill your stinky breath. Yes. I don't see that shape of flower that she got there. I think I should change the carry bag. So what she did was, she tied a knot in this part first and then she I forgot my words. So definitely in this much space I cannot fill air. This is this. Oh, we already have a flower. This is the way how you can avoid smelling your own breath. Ta-da! I'm using this palette, lipstick palette. I think I will go with a... I think air in this hack plays a very important role. I am not able to apply it properly because I have not filled it properly with air. Her balloon looks so tight, but mine is just impossible to... Okay, let's try. There is I need yellow color more in that. One more last try. I mean, not bad, it needs some touches. So this is the final look. I have applied liner and still I think there is something missing. That is glitter. Either it is going to look nice or it will be a disaster. This was the right choice. This was the right choice. I'm telling you, this is the right choice. I wish I had some makeup on to take some photos. I can keep a secret, kid. Yeah. Got my mind on your body and your body on my mind. The next hack we have from our Adesi girl, Tumka gira de. I sing so well that I might have copyright to this video.
I try to lift my brows and fill inside.
So what we will do that
super natural.
Fill my one eyebrow as per me and one eyebrow as per her. I'm thirsty. Now I want to pee. Oh, I mean, I already have my eyebrows filled. A little bit, not too much. This is exactly my face when my mom slaps me. this face. I can remove normally also. So she lift it like this. By the way, right side is of Priyanka and left side is of me. Because Priyanka is always right and I'm always wrong. No sense. This is following her hack. So, which one looks better? If we compare my eyebrows with Priyanka Chopra, I think she have much more broad eyebrows than me, and I don't have that much broad eyebrows. That much broad eyebrows. So I think if I have makeup on my face, this filling will look better. And if I don't have makeup on my face, I think this side would be better. What do you think? You can use that thing below, which is called comment section. The next hack we are going with is by Ankush Bahuguna about concealing pimple spots, and who is also my favorite influencer. Wow! His hacks are so useful that I was confused between two hacks. One was of, I think, blindness, blush blindness, this one, and one was, which we are going to take, concealing pimples. So I thought to take this one. Basically, no one is interested to see me trying hacks. I think Ankush and my skin shade is near about same, but I never use green concealer. Even though I never use, thank God I have green concealer. I have never tried something like this. Going with gel first, but the same. And you can see we have one beautiful pimple which is red in color. I will just try to blend it with my fingers. Sorry, but I'm going with my hands. I don't have any other brush for concealer. I think I have applied too much green concealer. I think this hack could have been successful, but the amount of concealer I used during that video was not appropriate. I would say it was too much, and that was the reason why this hack failed in my video. But I think in reality that hack might work. Our next hack is by Hey Barbie. Hi Kim. Wanna go for a ride? Sure Kim. Next hack is by Katrina Kaif. She is known as the Barbie of Bollywood. At this point, I consider that you know Katrina Kaif is running a brand named K Beauty, and I think she is using that concealer in her videos. So definitely don't have that concealer. We are going to use mine one, and if that does not help, which means that it is about to conceal. Oh, my beauty. The way she does this is so smooth. I normally don't use brush for concealer. Then around her eye. She is blending with her hand. So I have to blend with hand and apply concealer with brush. But we have to follow what she is doing. I have to use a blender. This hack might work if I have makeup under that. But the main aim of this hack was to lift my face up, and I think that is happening. You can see my face lifted up from this side, and from this side it is not. It is useful. So next hack is overlining lips. I think everyone have tried it and everyone have seen it on social media. What I think is this hack might look good on camera, but in real life it is not going to look that great. Just imagine you are going out with such lips, overlined lips. You ate something and your lips will disappear, and what others can see is just that overlined lips, which will be funny and disgusting at the same time. Not everyone looks like Kylie Jenner after overlining lips.
She's making a
This is going to look like a mustache. I will fill it with a lipstick. Don't you think I look like I just had lip surgery which gone wrong? So the next hack that we are going to see has 30 million views. 30 million views? I don't even get 30 likes on my channel. And I am damn sure that this hack will leave a stain on my face. And what is the output of this? And I'm sure that this is going to be the thumbnail of my video. Did like this. This is looking so... This is looking like a kid. I don't want to go. Wasting my compact. I'm so afraid. I cannot waste my compact powder, but I can at least use that other powder that we use. This powder. Woo! 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 Like this. All over face. Do I look old? I think this shape on my cheek is looking like Chanel logo. I don't know. Dark. Now we have to spread that. We already knew what results we will be getting from this. So our next hack is with 11 million views, and which is by atta that we use to make chapatis. This is beyond imagination. I mean, no one is going to use that even if it works. See, I think we have money and we can buy a simple compact or banana powder to use, but using atta for that, by the way, her eye makeup is so gorgeous. I know she's not going to see this video. So this girl is already having makeup on and I don't have makeup on, but still we will try this hack. From one side I will apply my sugar compact powder. From another side, atta with the help of sponge. We have atta. Even if this have positive results, we are not going to use atta as compact. Ooh. Wow. I'm so sorry, but I'm definitely going to use atta as my compact because I want to save my money. I don't have any opinion for this. Girls, you can just buy compact, and if you don't have money for compact, you can ask me. Last but not the least hack, it's about 10-second eyeshadow hack by the Riyamen or Theriyamen. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. She's so pretty, just look at her skin, it's flawless. I think she looks like Sai Pallavi. That's my perspective. But her hacks are useful most of the time. A golden and then a bronze or copper, I think. I'm so bad at colors. Brown shade. This. In this part. Is that not enough bad? Sorry. Bad. Enough dark. Bronze color. The problem is my face don't have any makeup, that's why it is looking like this, but I think it will look pretty good with a little bit of makeup. Dark from this. Now during editing I came to know that the eyeshadows were not visible. The shades of the eyeshadow matched with my eyelids too much that it was looking like nothing. And also one more reason was I did not put any concealer before applying that eyeshadow, so you were not able to see any colors. If you will ask whether I will use this hack in real life, I am definitely going to use this hack in real life because it is time saving, and the way she said that within 10 minutes you can create festive eyeshadow look, it is true though. From all the hacks that we have seen today, some were really useful and some were useless, just like me. I will definitely start using those hacks in my daily makeup routine, and if you want to see whether I'm using it in my daily makeup routine or not, you can follow me on Instagram, which you are not going to follow me, I know, because you're lazy. Let me know if you want me to do such more things on my channel, and I know you will not tell me because you're shy and you will not use the comment section. And if you are still watching me, you won my heart and you are my fan. family now. You might like this video in which I am following Kylie Jenner's makeup tutorial in case you are binge watching me. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love.